Want to make your Samsung Galaxy phone smarter than others? Edge Panel provides quick access to your favorite apps, contacts, tools, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to enable it on your device. So let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit, then tap on the display. Scroll down again, find out the Edge panels. Now tap on it. Toggle it on. From here, you can customize your panel by tapping Panels. So, tap on Panels. Now choose the options that you want to add to your panels, like apps, people, music, and more. And then go back to the home screen. Slide your finger from right to left and see the magic. Here it is. Here you can see the apps, and slide again, added contacts. Slide once to see the music. If you want to disable it, then try again, go back Edge Panel settings, and toggle it off. That's it. So guys, this is how you can enable and disable the Edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.